Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're looking at criminal cases in New Jersey and whether or not police can do an inventory search of an impounded car that was stopped for DWI. In State versus Courtney, the court decided yes, under limited circumstances. The police could do a short inventory search at the scene of an impounded DWI car. So, in State versus Witt, the New Jersey Supreme Court held police cannot conduct a search warrant pursuant to what's called the automobile exception to the warrant requirement once the vehicle has been towed away and impounded. In a DWI case, though, John's Law generally requires police to impound a vehicle for at least 12 hours when the driver is arrested for driving while intoxicated, DWI. This case addresses whether, and it's a novel question, whether the police may conduct a search under the automobile exception when they're required to impound a vehicle pursuant to John's Law, but the vehicle is still at the scene and not yet removed from the scene of the stop. The trial judge suppressed a handgun found under the passenger seat, reasoning that because the officers were required to impound the vehicle, the officers should have obtained a search warrant. The appellate court, though, reversed, and they said, considering the plain text and rationale of State versus Witt, they reversed the suppression order, holding the inherent exigency justifying a warrantless search at the scene continues to exist so long as the detained vehicle remains at the location of the stop. The court reasoned the inherent exigency is not abated by the fact the vehicle will eventually be removed from the scene, nor such exigency abated when the decision was made to remove the vehicle, regardless of whether the decision was made in the exercise of police discretion or in compliance with the statutory impoundment mandate. And the docket number is A-3844-22. That is State versus Courtney, Courtney. For more information on DWI cases and criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.